Okay. I know what you guys are seeing. It's the title, but please, if you are young, don't watch this. But we're gonna be watching Spinach Binge Millionth Dollar. Let's go. Sorry, funny. Oh man, I'm scared. Oh God.
A slow day at the Krusty Krab.
Where's Mr. Krabs? I'm Mr. Krabs. Mr. Krabs is dead.
What color is my diarrhea?
Blue. Fuck. SpongeBob, let me handle this.
Oh God.
Dickhead.
Pardon me?
Dies. Mr. Krabs, can we please go? Oh, but that's not fair. I can't hear you die. Are you prepared to say that with your head on a stack of hands? What? Show me your tits. Here. Stay up.
Oh my God.
Okay, give it to me. Good morning, Krusty Krab. Trick, you're fired. Come on, SpongeBob. Come on, SpongeBob.
Look at it, Squidward. Mr. Krabs tasty, juicy, scrumptious, warm.
Okay, give it to me.
One sex scene later.
That's better.
I'm serious, Squidward. Mr. Krabs is a retard. Hey, Mr. Krabs!
What is it, Bob?
Squidward's father raped him.
Yes, I suppose that is rather sad, but Squidward can kill himself during his break.
Just smell it.
Listen, SpongeBob, how long are you prepared to keep this up? When I die, you stay away
Look at
from
the guy
my
right there.
funeral. Here lies Squidward's testicles. What a baby. Jackpot! Get back to work, Mr. Squidward. Join me, boy, or you're fired.
It doesn't seem right. But it feels so good.
Oh.
Hello? Let's get naked.
Stupid cunt.
You're right. If I was a mom, this would be
Oh my
kind of
God.
shocking.
Ew.
Back in Texas, we call ice cream frozen cock sex.
Woo!
I thought I left that glass of peanut juice on the table. And since when did I acquire all these portraits of sex?
You can have this, buddy. Because all I need is the entertainment section.
Perhaps I can watch a little game porn.
You're watching the Old Black Cox channel.
Oh.
I have more cum in one testicle than you two have in your
Oh.
whole penis.
Oh.
Show them. Why haven't I worn this yet?
Here you go. I made it special. I better call the doctor. Cause I've got diarrhea. How does this keep happening?
Can I take your order?
How about the foreskin?
I hate you.
What?
Get out! Come on, meet Squidward. No. Then I guess I have no choice but to fuck you. What makes you think he'll come? Oh, he'll come.
Rev up those fryers.
SpongeBob, how do you like my steamy ass?
Wow.
Should I have the spaghetti or the turkey? Oh, could I have anything to eat?
No.
Could I have something to eat? Could I have something to eat? No. Could I have something to eat?
No.
Can't you say anything else but no?
A monster!
That's not a monster, Mr. Krabs. It's Squidward.
Get rid of it!
Oh
Let me go!
Okay. That was that video. Okay. Oh my God, that was disgusting. But this video was requested. Yeah. So there's your recommendation right there. If you're young, under the age of what, 10? Don't watch this. If you're higher than my classmates, like my friends, they can watch this. They can do whatever they want. But yeah. See you all in the next one. Bye.